Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of luminosity masks in Photoshop. These powerful tools can help you control contrast, color grade, and highlight specific areas of your image with precision. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a luminosity mask. A luminosity mask is a selection based on the brightness level in your image. It allows you to make precise adjustments to different tonal ranges without affecting the entire image. To create a luminosity mask, start by opening your image in Photoshop. Duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. I did it before. Then go to the Channels panel. Here you'll see the RGB, red, green, and blue channels. Hold down Ctrl or Command in Mac and click on the RGB channel thumbnail. This will create a selection based on the bright areas of your image. Next, click the Save selection at the Save selection and name it to Light 1. Rename it to Lights 1. To create a more specific mask, you can intersect the selection. With Lights 1 selected, hold down Ctrl-Shift-Alt or Command-Shift Option on Mac and click the Lights 1 channel thumbnail. This will refine the selection to include only the brighter areas. Then save this selection again to Lights 2. And also you can repeat these steps for Lights 3 for the brightness area. Now let's use the luminosity mask to adjust contrast. You can again press Command or Ctrl on the Lights 1, then go back to the Layers panel and create a Curves Adjustment layer. With the Lights 1 mask active, this will apply the mask to the Curves Adjustment layer. Adjust the curve to increase contrast in the highlights while preserving the shadows. You can also use luminosity mask for color grading. Create another curves adjustment layer, but this time use the Lights 2 mask. Go to the RGB drop-down in the curves properties and select the red channel. Adjust the curve to add more red to the highlights. You can do the same for the green and blue channels to achieve your desired color grade. To control the highlights, create a Levels adjustment layer and use the Lights 3 mask. Adjust the levels to fine-tune the brightest areas of your image. This technique allows you to bring out details in the highlights without affecting the midtones and shadows. After making your adjustments, you can refine the masks further by painting on them with a soft brush. Use black and white to conceal and reveal areas of the mask. This gives you even more control over the final look of your image. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using luminosity mask in Photoshop. These techniques can help you achieve precise control over contrast, color grading, and highlights in your photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Bye!